Okay, this is the syllabus for that. Excel essential course is the learning Excel basics to scratch. This is the introduction to Excel interface. What is the interface? All those things I will cover that. Okay. After that, font formatting, alignment tools, number of formatting. These are the basic things. All those things. Okay. After that, okay, intermediate. Okay, intermediate 20 plus basic formulas. I have to cover that. Understanding when we use the formula. Okay, all those things I will cover that. What is the adjoint reference and okay, a related reference? These are very important in the okay in Excel. Very important, very major important. We have to calculate it in okay every calculated in the cell only. That is very important and this based only how to use in the observed and related reference based on the log cell when use the log cell in the row and when will be lock in the column. This is the observed and related reference. Okay, types of reference I will discuss all those things step by step. After that you have to mathematical operations logical formulas. For example, if marks for example 80 to 60% first class and 60 to 40% second class. I need for that. Okay, that is using the if condition. Sorry for 1 minute. Okay, after that, next study. Next study means if condition and if. Okay, this is the for all those things I haven't covered. Criteria based aggregations. Criteria based aggregation means if you are the aggregations functions, okay, all those things I will cover this at intermediate level. After that, okay, in advanced formulas in Excel, that is the 40 plus advanced Excel formulas I will teach that. Switch formula, text join, unique, okay, concatenate, date based formulas, time based formulas. Okay, we look up H lookup, very important in the we lookup and H lookup. In every okay in Excel, you have to advance Excel. You have to use in the we lookup very important we lookup formula. Then I have to update in the Excel formulas, text based formulas. Okay, these the I will cover this all those things. After that, okay, visualizations, charts. Okay, that is the best practice. What is the best practice? All those things I have covered. Column bar chart, column chart, line chart. So many things we have the covered with the charts only. Okay, after that, very important and very useful feature in Excel only pivot table. Very most important. Okay, that is the one of the feature in the advanced Excel pivot table. How to create the pivot table, how to implement in the pivot table, how to arrange the data. Once arrange the data, when we'll use the pivot table, all those things I will cover that. Okay, after that, once you have to create in the pivot table, you have to use the field list content and select new functions, refresh pivot table. All those things I have covered. Okay, step by step I have to use in the formulas. These the slice and dice. Okay, slice. What is the slice? Once we have to create in the pivot table, when we'll use the slices, all those things I will cover that. After that, this is the important feature in the pivot table. Pivot table layout on the charts, pivot table charts, how to calculate in the pivot table calculated. All those things I will cover that. Okay, this is the one of the functions. Secrets functions tricks important very in Excel tricks and tips very important guys, very important. Why means if you are doing the Excel sheet okay, you have to tricks and tips is very important. Why means you have to time is consumed. Okay, you have to lot of tricks you have to use in the 5 minutes. You have to take the time. You have to 2 minutes. You have to use the tricks. Then easily how to work done is only. That is that I will cover the secret function tricks, all those things I have covered that. Okay, how to track the data, remove duplicates, if error, those all the covered the this advanced Excel concepts. And creating Excel reports, dynamic formulas, dynamic charts, keywords, okay, data analysis, error handling, all those things. These the okay completely advanced Excel concepts. Okay, after that, once we have to familiar that advanced Excel and basic Excel, all those things, we have to make macros. Macro sense repeated work. Okay, once we have to repeated work, you have to create the macros. Okay, then you have to click one click. You have to reporting easily. Just once 2 seconds or 3 seconds, we have to creating the macros. Creating macro means you have to write the codes. Okay, how to write the codes, how to create the macros, how to run the macros, all those things I will cover this macros. Okay, step by step I have to utilize that. Okay, after that we have to complete the advanced Excel this concept. I will cover in the Oracle SQL queries. Okay, how to select a statement, column alias, table alias. Okay, what are the classes in the SQL, from class, where class? Okay, order by class. So many classes is there. I will cover the SQL also, and then the data filtering using where classes. Even okay, sorry for that. Okay, data using when will you where class in the filter in the where class. All those sorting the order by class, DML commands, insert command, update command, all those things in the covered in the this okay SQL. After you have to done in advanced Excel, I will take the classes in the SQL also, and integrating okay column level constraints, table level constraints. Okay, after that inbuilt functions, single row function, string function, date functions, mathematical functions, special functions, analytic functions. So many functions I will cover that. After that, data aggregations, group by class. When will we group by class? When will we using what is difference between where class and having class? What is cube and what is roll up? All those things I will cover that. After that, you have to jump into the join operations. Type of joins, what is equi join, what is the joins of the inner join, outer join, all those things. Once you have to familiar that to joins, after that set operators, union, all intersect, minus, all those things. What is different between row ID, what row num? These are very important in Oracle database. Row ID, how to delete the based on the row ID. That is a very important in SQL. Okay, after that to jump into the subqueries. Subqueries is very important in nowadays also. Okay, single row subquery, multi row subquery, nested, multi-column subquery, correlate subquery nowadays. Okay, using the correlate subquery. After that, inline view. Okay, inline view, how to create the inline view, why are using inline view, why are using a correlate subquery, what is the disadvantage for a single row subquery, what is advantage for a correlate subquery, what is advantage for inline view. Those are things I will cover that at these topics. These are the basic things you have to use this one. Any doubt for that? Any doubt for that, this syllabus?
No.
Okay. Okay. Next, how to reporting, how to create the reporting. When will be using the reporting? Okay. Any for idea for that reporting? Is a today is a demo class. Don't okay. Today okay, basics to advanced level I have to cover that. Don't worry about that. Okay, once one minute, just 1 second. Okay, guys. First, how to collect the data? First, collect the data. First, you need to first work how to collect the data. First we have to collect the data. Okay, where we have collect the data means based on the okay the databases, based on the different data sources. Data sources means coming to exactly Oracle databases or SQL databases. So many data sources is there. Okay, once you have to coming to data source to data, you have to getting the data. Once you have to getting the data, whatever requirement you have to use that requirement based on that, based on that you have to use in the reporting side only. Okay, by using this way. Okay, how to create the reporting, how to inbuild it. This is the data. Lot of data is there. How many records is there? 10,000, around 10,000 records is there. In 10,000 records, what are the requirement is there? For example, I want to, okay, I want to for total sales here only, city ID, okay, business, okay, and business, business classifiers and city ID, city name, launch ID, percentage, okay, fixed fees, hybrid, okay, some net take, okay, this is the amount. This for amount is for measures only. This is called measures. Wherever the number is there, that is the measure actually. Okay, whenever you have to use that, that is the dimension actually. Okay, you have to calculate it. The measures you have to calculate it that. Okay, are you able to speak?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Sorry for that. I didn't say that actually. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, this is the data for that. Okay, this is the data coming to different sources. Okay, once where is the data means once you have to 1 minute, just hold a second. Just okay, this is the for a database. This is for actually for a cloud database. Once you have to download that, first, for example, you have to create one worksheet. Then okay, you have to use in the okay something okay some queries you are using that empty table. Just, hold a second. Not much only. Okay, don't confusing that not much, but how to download the data in once download the data, then how to use how to create the report. Just Okay, this is the data for that. Okay, you have to click it. Just you have to click it. Okay, CSV comma separated. Once data I have to download that, then we have to create the reports based on the requirement. Okay, just hold a second. This is the data for that. Okay, once this is the data for that. Okay, where download that in Snowflake developer. Same different companies you are using the Snowflake or different sources, Oracle's Oracle or SQL or okay website also you have to get the data. Once you have to get the data, once you have to collect the data, you have to use the report based on the based on the requirement. I need for requirement total salaries based on the jobs. Okay, based on the jobs, I want to depends on the department. Okay, based on the department numbers. Based on the department numbers, I want to total sales. Okay, how to create the reporting this one. Okay, first you have to select the data. First, you have to select the data. Then you have to create the pivot table. Alt NVT is pivot table. Automatically selected. Okay. Just location. You are using a new sheet or existing sheet. I want to existing sheet. Same sheet you have to create that. Okay. One just. This is the data. Okay, what you need for that? What are requirement based department based? I want to total salaries, right? We have to select the these are filter columns, rows, values. Okay, now today is the demo class. Don't worry. Okay, what is the grade that reports? All those things I will do it. Once we have to clear that, okay, step by step, I will cover those things topics only. Okay, these are 10 and 20. Okay. Okay, just salaries. Salaries you have to columns or sorry, values. These for total salaries. You have to count. For example, total salaries. Total salaries 10th department 8,750. Okay, total salaries 10th department. Total salary means okay, total salaries. So 10th department, where is the 10th department? Total salaries. And 20 department, total salaries. 30 department, total salaries. Then automatically pivot table you have to calculate that. I don't want to sum of salaries. I want to number of employees in 30 department. Then how to do that? Okay, just here only you have to click that. Okay, field value field settings is there. Just you have to use, just you have to click that, or only you have to click that count. Okay, that is the automatically okay. These the 3 members in 20 department, 20 department, 5 members is there, 30 department, 6 members is there. Based on the value field settings, that is the best options in the pivot table. Okay, after that max or min. Okay, there is so many features is there. I will cover that later. Okay, how to arrange that? These are duplicates, right? This is the duplicate. How this is the duplicate? This duplicate you have to arrange that single value. How to single value means? Just observe that. 10th department. Here only 10th department. Here only 10th department. Okay. Here only 10th department. In background, in backend, what is the processing that? You have to you have to remove that. You have to remove that one value. You have to restriction. Substituted. These are substituted values based on the criteria. Criteria means you have to use in the sum or max. Okay, min. This is the formula based on the working that. Okay, this is the advantage for that pivot table. Okay, 20 department. We have to remove the duplicates, arrange the single value. 30 department, single value, remove duplicates, single value. This is the background process implemented. That this is the basic report. Okay, we have to understand the what is the reporting, all those things. I will. Okay, this is the best advantage. Okay, coming to what is the advanced Excel? Sorry, what is Excel? What is row and what is the column? Anybody tell? These are grid lines only. These are so many grid lines. These are cell. These are total grid lines. Is there? What is the column? What is row? Anybody idea for that? What this one is row? This one is a column, or this one is a row? This one is column. What is the behind that? Anybody idea for that?
No idea.
Okay, no issue. Okay, these are the columns. Okay, these are A, B, C is the columns one by one. Okay, these are columns only. These are rows. 1, 2, 3 is the. Okay, these are rows. Okay, so these are rows. These for rows only. These are for columns. Okay, these called okay named box. Okay, these are very most important named box and formulas. Formula bar. This is the formula bar, and this one sheets. So many sheets you have to create that. Okay, so many sheets you have to create that. Okay, based on the requirement, you have to create the sheets. Okay, how many rows you have to in particular sheet? Okay, how many rows you have to limit? Okay, that is the 10,048 5776. That is the total rows you have to utilize the one sheet only. In interview questions, he asked that how many rows you have to in using the Excel. And that is one of the interview questions he asking that. That is this number you have to tell that. Then you have to you are a genuine candidate. Okay, that is the one of the interview question. And these are so many features is there. Okay, file, what is the file, what is insert, so many features is there. And the formulas, okay, so many formulas, and finance formulas, logical formulas, text formulas, data lookup formulas, so many formulas. And data, coming to data, okay, how to get the data, different sources, file to CSV, how to get the data in folders, okay, databases. Before I told you what different data sources, right? When SQL Server, okay, so many databases using that. After that, okay, refresh all, okay. These are the features I will cover that. Okay, and this is the most important of this topic: text to column, how to use the text to column, and remove duplicates, data validations. These are most of the features using that. Or what is analysis? All those things I will feature that. Okay, reviews. Okay, is not much, and review is there. Grid line, how to remove the grid line. Observe that there is no grid line, right? This is the one of the feature. Okay, how to remove grid lines, how to enable the grid lines, how to headlines, how to have headlines remove, headlines, formula bar remove, formula bar. These all those things I will cover that. Okay, after that we have to develop that. This is the macros is there. Okay, this is the macros. You have to create the macros. Once you have to create the macros, then automatically run into the okay. Automatically once arrange the report, automatically create the report only based on the coding. Here only write the coding only. Based on the coding, I will create the one macros after tomorrow class. Okay, these are the features, all those things. Okay, next, any for dot this options? Yes, tell me, guys. Okay, next, just 1 minute. Okay, this is the column and this is the row. Okay, very important, guys. And okay, serial number. Okay, what is reporting? Just I am telling that. Anybody idea for that? What is reporting? What is report? What is report, guys? Okay, what is report means? Just before I telling, like, okay, calculations, okay, data aggregations. All those aggregation means you have to max some using that max count. These are all the aggregations. Okay, reporting we have to aggregating all those things and the calculations. Mathematical calculations we have to idea, right? Okay, that is the reporting side. You have to using the calculations and aggregation. Okay, these are the side in the reporting. Once you have to get the data, then arrange the reporting based on the this one. Where is the data? So, yeah, this is the data. This is for report. Okay, how to create the by using the formulas and by using the so many formulas with the sum if s, sum if count if s, so many formulas I will cover that. I will teach that. Okay, don't worry about that. Today is a demo class. Once we have to figure the okay, and this all those things we have to one of the steps we have to figure that. Okay, each and everything I will teach me. Okay, next is the dashboards. Okay, dashboards, sorry, charts only. Okay, clarity. For example, charts and for example, charts is very important in Excel. Once you have to create the report, then you have to create the charts only. Insert. We'll go for requirement charts. Sorry for that. Column chart, bar chart, area chart, so many charts is there. What which one is the suitable for this data? Okay, when will using the charts, bar chart, so many charts is there. Based on that data you have to use in the charts only. Okay, I use in the okay column chart. Just observe that, guys. What I am doing that. Yes. Just observe that. Don't okay. Alignment. Okay. Just I can alignment only. Here horizontal, vertical. I want to horizontal. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Observe that. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Okay, I don't want to these numbers. Okay, I don't want to these numbers. Then how to enable that? How to disable that? Okay, all those things I will cover that here only. I want to vertical. Okay, I don't want to vertical numbers. I don't want to vertical numbers. I want to horizontal, vertical also. You have to enable that. After that, okay, now titles. I want to title in x-axis. I want to title in y-axis. X-axis. I want to x-axis title. I want to y-axis title. What is this number? What is this number? I want to that. what is this number I want to that, right? This is the very important actually. Once this is not good for that, right? 0 1 2 3 4 is not good for that. That is the I can able to x-axis what is the name, what is the y-axis name. Okay, these is the titles. Observe that. This is called department numbers. And this one is the what is this one. 1 2 3 is the what is this one. Okay, observe that. This is the count of employees. Count of employees. Easily get it, easily understand, right? This is the department number. 10 20 is the department number. 0 1 2 3 is the count of employees based on the department. You can understand easily. Before that, you can't understand, right? This is the very important. Okay, in charts also. Okay, once. Okay, next one is chart titles. Okay, chart titles none. Chart title. Okay, we don't want to okay chart title. Then we have to none. You want to chart title. Then above. Okay, above in the you are using that. Okay, not in above. In center, I want to that. You have to use in the center. Center only. Okay, that is whatever requirement you have to use that. Yes. Okay, after that, we have to click it and design, go for design, and there's the labels is there. So many labels is there. You have to center. You have to center is there. Okay, and inside. Okay, after that, very labels is observe that labels is the center. Center means you have to observe that. Observe that 3 is the 10th department 3. Okay, 10th department 3 employees, 20 department 5 employees. Okay, 30 department 6 30 department 6 employees there in center only. But I don't want to center. I want to for okay in above only. Okay, I want to below only. I want to comment in the okay this chart only. Then you have to do it this alignment. Okay, then labels you want to inside end inside end. If I have to use in the inside outside bar. This is the best practice for that actually. Observe that. Once we have to everybody understand, right? 10th department 3 employees, 20 department 5 employees, 30 department 6 employees. Okay, after that. Okay, grid lines. These are very important and grid lines. I want to grid lines means you have to enable that grid lines in that chart only. Observe that based on the requirement, we have to enable the grid line, vertical grid lines. These are vertical grid lines. Observe that this is the horizontal grid line. Okay, if you are okay for that, if you are requirement, requirement based on requirement, you have to use the grid lines only. This is the best practice for that. Okay, each and everything I will step by step I will cover that. Don't worry about that. Today is the demo class. After that, everything I will teach you. What is this? What is those? I will practically I will give that knowledge. Okay, just hold a second. One picture is there. Okay, I want to read in back end. Okay, black color is there. I don't want to back color. I want to font size. You have to change that. Okay, just 1 second. This is the shape outline is there. We have to use the shape outlines. You want to green. You want to green that. 1 second. Yeah, all those things I will cover that. This is the chart. Step by step, I will cover that. Okay. This is the best practice for that charts only. I will cover those things, all those things. Okay. When will be charted? These are good practice, right? Just these for good actual sales. Okay. Well, how many 2011 how to sales in that area. This is a good practice, but this one is not good practice. This is a bad practice. These so many companies you have to sales that. Okay, this is the bar chart. This bar chart is okay, not good thing. What is the sales things, right? This is not good for that. Okay, this is okay, not a good practice. When will using the based on the data, based on the requirement, we have to use the charts only. Okay, don't use irregularly using the chart only. Based on the requirement, based on the data, we have to use in the charts only. These are charts based on the charts. I will cover the one by one. Don't worry about that. Okay. Then we'll using the good practicing the charts only. Nowadays, so many people's okay, so many people's charts are not good for that using the data. Okay, that is I will cover the all those things, guys. If you have any doubt, please ask me that. Shai Ganesh, any doubt for that?
No, sir.
Okay. Lokesh?
No, sir.
Okay. Kiran? Sai Kiran?
No, sir.
Don't worry, guys. Okay, each and everything I will give the practical knowledge. Okay, don't confusing that. Today is the demo class. Once we have to prepare okay a demo, then I will move to next step on each and everything. What
Okay,
is
sir.
the form? All those things I will cover that, and also I will cover that. Okay, SQL also. SQL how to I will okay install the software everybody. Okay, we have to laptop. I have to install the each and everybody. I have to install that. Just to hold on 1 second. Okay, this is the data for that. Okay, this is the data. This is the total salaries. This is the employee number. This is the e-name and job. Okay, this jobs and manager, high date. Okay, salaries, commissions, department numbers, department names. This is the for data for okay. This is the data for that. Okay, I want to for highest salaries. This data highest salaries. I want For example, I want to this highest salaries. Okay, first highest salary I want to that. Then how to write the query? Just and today is the demo. I will tell that how to use that by using correlator subquery. Based on that, select star from EMP, where first highest salary equal to, then select count of distance. What is distance keyword? I will tell that guys after the from EMP. Just what is E1, what is E2? Okay, one of the stage I will cover that. Just observe that. After that, where class E2 dot salary greater than E1 dot salary. Sorry for that. Close bracket is not given that. Observe that guys. This is the first highest salary. Okay, second highest salary. Okay, all those things I will cover that. Based on that, this is the correlate subquery. This correlate subquery, I want that. For example, I want to department wise salaries. I want to department wise salaries. You have to same advanced Excel pivot table. Here also you are using that. Okay, select department number. Okay, you want to sum of salary, right? We have to use in the aggregate function. After that, we are using the table name. After that, group by which department number. Observe that 30 department, this total salaries, 10 department, total salaries, that 20 department, total salaries. How to write the queries, all those things I will cover that guys. Okay, this is the best practice for that group by classes. So correlate subqueries, single row subquery. You want to for example by using max salaries for that. Okay, single row subquery you can use that. Okay, when we'll use the single row subquery, when we'll use the correlate subquery, when we'll use in the multi row subquery, all those things I will cover that in SQL also. Don't worry about that. Don't think about. Okay, advanced Excel is very important, and also you have to. I will teach that Google Sheets. Okay, Google Sheets same like that. Okay, Excel only. I have to how to create the Google Sheets. I 1 second. Just we have to create the Google Sheets. This is the cloud based. Okay, this is the cloud based Google Sheets. This is a demo. Same like that. Okay, you have to create the number of people. You have to once share the file. Okay, all members together in the work here only. Okay, together people you have to work in the Google Sheets only. So many interviews asking you have to idea for Google Sheets. Okay, same like that Excel only, similar to Excel. Don't confusing that. Google Sheets is not different, Excel is not different. Both are same features, same that. But advanced this same formulas here also equal to VLOOKUP, same formulas. There is no confusing that. Okay, same whatever using that, whatever I teach that. Okay, same like that here also we are using that. Okay, I will cover the okay Excel. I will cover the Google Sheets. I will cover the SQL concepts. Okay, this is the main important for the in the industry side. If you have any doubts, please ask. Let me know. Right. Anybody ask for that? Any query for that? Suresh?
No, sir.
Okay, you can understand, right?
Yes.
Okay. And Sai Ganesh?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubt, guys. Nikhil Kumar?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, I will share the recording also. Day by day recording is there. And I will give the day-to-day task. I will give that. Once I will teach that, I will give the task. Okay, practice is very important, guys. Why means so many companies are asking for okay Excel tests only. Once you have to simulate an Excel, once you have to Excel test is fast, then directly you have to select the interview. Okay, I will cover that. Don't worry about that. Don't much. Okay, in what is the advanced Excel? Don't much that. Very easy. Very okay. Very interesting also. That is the gaming also. Okay, Excel is the gaming. Don't think much. Okay, very easy. That easy. I will give the 20 formulas. I will give the 10 formulas. Very important. In the interview, asking 10 formulas. Okay, I will cover that. And 20 real time scenarios, I will cover that. All those things I will cover that. Excel is a very gaming, right? Gaming. Once you have to collect the data, you have to whatever requirement you have to okay set in the requirement. That's enough, right? Okay, don't worry about much more. Okay. Or daily you have to practice 2 hours at least. Okay, daily I will do the task. Then you can easily life is easy. No doubt, guys.
No doubt.
Everybody understand, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. I can leave that. Okay. Any further doubts for that? Please ask. Tomorrow
Okay.
same time. Okay. Tomorrow is no class. Monday onwards I will teach with that advanced and all those things. Step by step. Okay.
Okay.
Today is a demo. Once you have to okay familiar in the demo, then we have to follow that the instruct and then catch up that. Okay, guys. Thank you for that valuable time.
Okay, thank you, sir.